I can go ahead and extrude it over the path. So let me go back. So let me delete this one, and instead of having the direction, give it a path. So because I want to draw it on that front view, let me choose to the front view again, and let me rotate it a little bit so you can see it. And this time I'm gonna add the path by just using this like arc. So I want to start from here. My center is gonna be there, and let me choose the 3 points pass. Yeah, so start from here, go there, and then go there. So this is the pass I want. So I wanted to extrude it through that pass. So if I come here, let me go back in the 3D view again and change to the coordinate section. So this is the pass I want to extrude this. Again, I go there, click on the extrude, click on that rectangle I want to extrude, press enter. This time, instead of the direction, I choose the pass, and then I click on that pass, and it's gonna extrude it through that pass. So even I can use the direction which is extruded with this single direction, or I can give a pass to extrude it over that pass, like you will see it here.